Hello everyone, what's up guys? Welcome to the series. So today, what have I got for you? आप देखोगे ना तो होश उड़ जाएंगे आपके. नहीं जानबूझ के नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं ये आपके लिए. But then RCs are like that. So I have got something that is connected to sociology, a little bit to philosophy, something like there is an economics ka angle. All in all, it's a hateful passage. But that is where I come into the picture. You have to love your RCs no matter what. If you think that there won't be any alien topics, you're mistaken. So there will always be this chance of getting some kind of a passage that is kind of alien, like kind of looks Greek and Latin to you. What are you going to do then? सारे passages आप छोड़ नहीं सकते हो. तो भाई किस तरीके से हैंडल करना है, क्या करना है, एग्जैक्टली वही दिखाने जा रही हूँ. बहुत ही घटिया, बहुत ही पेचीदा, बहुत ही बकवास टाइप का आरसी पैसेज है. ओनली 3 पैराग्राफ्स आर देयर. देख करके लगेगा ये तो बहुत ही आसान दुश्मन है, इसको मैं कुचल लूंगा. बीच में समझ में आएगा आपको कि असलियत क्या है. चलिए, एनीवे आई एम देयर विथ यू, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी. सो व्हाट इज द एजेंडा ऑफ द सेशन? अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव है टू अंडरस्टैंड द मेन आइडिया. लाइक जो भी आप कर रहे हो ना पैसेज में, साथ साथ आपको मेन आइडिया अगर क्लियर नहीं हुआ, it's going to be difficult. You have to understand how to map the passage, like kind of take the paragraphs, connect the first line of every paragraph so that you don't need to read everything word for word. Then you have to highlight the important zones in the passage. ठीक है? While you're reading, you have to kind of know the pressure points. आप किसी भी मसूस को बुलाते हो अगर, या तो चलो ओनली हेड मसाज और बॉडी मसाज, ही नोज द प्रेशर पॉइंट्स वेरी वेल. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज्यादा करना है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा हल्का करना है, बैक में जा करके तो बहुत ही अच्छे से करना है. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू विद आरसी ऑल्सो. ओके, सो लोकेट द इंपॉर्टेंट जोन्स व्हाइल यू आर रीडिंग, एंड along the process you'll understand mapping हो गई, locate हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, तो फिर आखिर में क्या करना है? प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन के टेक्निक्स लगाने हैं, और क्वेश्चंस व्हेन यू सी दैट हेल्प्स इन अ बिग वे. अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कैसे. चलिए स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. बट बिफोर दैट समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If you are looking for CAT exam updates and there are queries in your mind, please join our WhatsApp group. ठीक है? ये WhatsApp ग्रुप का लिंक आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? नीचे चैट बॉक्स में मिलेगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. गो डाउन, क्लिक ऑन इट एंड जॉइन दैट. स्टे अपडेटेड. ऑलराइट, जो भी हमारी तरफ से न्यूज होती है, whatever it is related to CAT changes, related to अपना courses, classes, everything is kind of broadcast over there. ठीक है? चलिए, brace yourselves guys. Don't hate me for it because I'm here to make your work and life and RC easy. चलिए देखते हैं. Sociological theory. भाई पैसेज ये है. Okay? First step is what? I don't jump right in. I just assess the passage first. किस बारे में? Sociological theory, बहुत ही dense looking paragraph. Dense. Sociological. ओके, ओ माय गॉड, नो नो नो, मैं तो मरी गई इतना बड़ा पैराग्राफ देख करके. बट कोई नहीं, करेंगे इसको. ठीक है, इतना पढ़ सकते हैं, इतना देख सकते हैं, बीच का स्किम कर लेंगे. नो मेंशन इज मेड ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट द बेसिस ऑन विच टेक्नोलॉजी एक्वायर्स. छोटा ही पैराग्राफ दिख रहा है, छोटा. ऑल राइट, सो देयर आर 3 पैराग्राफ्स. इट्स एन अगली लुकिंग पैसेज, वेरी डेंस, नॉट मच ऑफ डेटा इज देयर. लाइन्स डिस्क्रिप्टिव है ना. So let's check the questions first. According to the passage, how are the entertainment industry and politics part of the same conspiracy? Entertainment industry and politics part of the same conspiracy. We have to look for this and this, some similarity point. Now note it down. In the passage, if you ever come across a comparison point, whether it is similarity or difference, it is a question pocket. हर हाल में question setter ऐसे ऐसे zones को ढूंढता है, वहां पे question set करता है. ठीक है? What can be inferred regarding the point of similarity between automobiles, bombs and movies? This is connected with the last para. अभी तो आपको नहीं पता है क्योंकि आपने देखा नहीं है, right? But automobiles, bombs and movies has to be specific, right? ये एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिक्स, ऑटोमोबाइल्स, बॉम्ब्स एंड मूवीज. सो ऑब्वियसली द होल पैसेज इज नॉट ऑन वन टॉपिक. जो भी एक द टॉपिक इज समथिंग एल्स, सोशियोलॉजी से रिलेटेड समथिंग है, but then these are specific points. Okay, अभी आपको एक ज्ञान पॉइंट देती हूँ, ठहरो. It can be inferred that the author disproves later. मैं पहले तो मैं 1 और 2 करूंगी. As it is, the passage is ugly. There are only 3 questions associated with this passage. Okay. अभी आप एक ज्ञान पॉइंट ले लो मेरे से. This is a dense passage. The question setter is not an angel. He has not come from somewhere that it's going to be very easy for him to set questions. Even he is looking out for some zones where he can set questions. तो ऐसा dense passage में generally क्या होता है? The question setter gives you main idea, tone, okay? Or he will give you something like this. What does the author mean when he says this? What does the author imply? What can we infer from the similarity between automobiles, bombs and something? Got it? तो वही ये question 1 and question 2 हमें वैसे ही दिख रहे हैं. Maybe this last one, author disproves. Disprove means कोई एक चीज है. People have thought कि ऐसा होता है, right? The author is kind of disproving it. गलत proof करना is disprove. So we will find this either in the first or the last para. ठीक है? So there's nothing to panic. Now, if I take you back to the passage, how will we handle it? अब आप देखो. ठीक है? Sociological theory that the loss, कौन सी theory? Okay. Loss of this. Okay. Is disproved every day. Oh, this is connected to one question. Disproved. This is why I check the questions first. It gives me this gyan, this enlightenment on how to handle a passage easily. Right? अभी समझने के लिए अगर आप बैठोगे इस passage को, तो I'm telling you 10 minutes कम पड़ेंगे आपको. Even after that, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to understand it. So थोड़ा सा smartly handle करो. कैसे? वही मैं दिखाऊंगी. The sociological theory that the loss of support of objectively established religion, number 1, the dissolution of the last remnants of pre-capitalism, number 2, together with technological and social differentiation or specialization, number 3, have led to cultural chaos. ये सारी चीजें, ये this 1, 2, 3 have led to cultural chaos. इनकी वजह से there is बर्बादी in the society. This theory is disproved every day. Pause कर लो यहाँ पे. मैं आगे तो नहीं पढ़ूंगी, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया क्या बोला ऑथर ने. As a student, I try to read the passage. Okay. तो भाई just kind of try to get things कि बोल क्या रहा है. यहाँ बोला है इसने there are 3 things. ये number 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. There is a sociological theory that says, sociological तो इतना समझ में आ रहा है. That sociological theory says that these 3 things are responsible for cultural chaos. And this is said by the people. Our author is disproving it every day. I mean, he says that it is disproved every day. So our author doesn't agree with that. So the first part is giving you a theory. Okay. Author doesn't agree. Right? इतना समझ आया? Now, ये क्या बोला है ये अगर समझ में नहीं आएगा, that means your vocab is very weak. So आज की रीडिंग आपकी लिख लो. ठीक है. रीडिंग आपकी क्या होगी आज की? प्री कैपिटलिज्म. लेट मी मार्क इट इन सम अदर कलर. प्री कैपिटलिज्म, सोशल डिफरेंशिएशन, स्पेशलाइजेशन, ओके, कल्चरल chaos. Cool. Just for your knowledge, I'm telling you, pre-capitalism is the era before capitalism. Capitalism क्या था? Capitalism अभी भी है. था का क्या है? Capitalism is profit, production. The increasing gap between the rich and the poor, inequality increasing between people. ठीक है, ये है capitalism, right? Together with technological and social differentiation. Social differentiation क्या होता है? Technological and social differentiation. That people are distinguished. You make a kind of, mark between people. You kind of try to distinguish between people. This person is different from this person, so he is better suited to this role. So this kind of differentiation, social differentiation, leads to hierarchy. It leads to specialization. What is specialization? आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. Specialization is एक टाइप का बंदा एक काम करेगा. एक एग्जाम्पल, there can be a situation कि एक गाड़ी बन रही है तो the entire car is assembled by one person. iPhone को ले लो. iPhone is assembled by पूरा एक person. That's a weird thing. So what happens? चाइना में आईफोन असेंबली की फैक्ट्रीज है, वहां पे देयर आर लाइक असेंबली लाइंस, ओके। उसमें एक इंसान एक टाइप का काम कर रहा है, दूसरा इंसान दूसरे टाइप का काम कर रहा है. दिस लीड्स टू स्पेशलाइजेशन. द पर्सन हु इज पुटिंग द स्टिकर बिकम्स एन एक्सपर्ट इन दैट. ठीक है. So specialization is something that leads to hierarchy. और specialization दिया दिख रहा आपको, that means social differentiation और specialization similar चीजें हैं. ये होना चाहिए आपका processing power. ठीक है. तो दो अलग अलग चीजें, टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Fine. Have led to cultural chaos is disproved every day. Author कह रहा है no, this doesn't hold good. क्यों? अब अगले पार्ट में वो भी तो एक्सप्लेन करेगा ना अपना. Culture now impresses up. If you know specialization and differentiation का meaning, you need not read this portion word for word, क्योंकि आपको समझ में आएगा अगले पोर्शन में कह रहा है. Because आपका जो कल्चर है ना, impresses the same stamp on everything. खत्म. Everything looks homogeneous. Everything is mass production. Everything is standardized. I'm saying this without even reading that part. Why? Because this first part says something. Differentiation, specialization, and this has led to cultural chaos. Author says no, this is disproved every day. Why? Because culture is giving you same stamp on everything. This point, now impresses the same stamp on everything, will be explained by the author. How is he explaining it? He's explaining it from here. पढ़ के देखो आप. Films, radio and magazines make up a system. एक question connected है, which is uniform mass production. As a whole and in every part. पूरे में भी, holistically भी, in every part भी, it's same. Even. That means the same point is being asserted upon. Correct? Even the aesthetic activities of political opposites, okay, rhythm of the iron, नहीं समझ आया ये line ना, कोई बात नहीं. The decorative, industrial, management, buildings and exhibition are much the same. Now, again, I'm saying, even if you know these words, pre-capitalism, differentiation, specialization, you could understand the meanings of the words that are given in the second part. You see my point? So instead of reading word for word, instead of kind of sweating over it, just be a little smart. यहाँ पे this part, again, I'm saying this part says ऐसा है. It is disproved every day, right? क्यों? क्योंकि अब सेम स्टैम्प सब पे दिया जा रहा है. सो दिस सेम स्टैम्प इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, स्पेशलाइजेशन, राइट? सो यहाँ पे फिल्म्स, रोल्स, ओके, ये यूनिफॉर्म वर्ड देख लो, यूनिफॉर्म, ठीक है. एस्थेटिक एक्टिविटीज आर वन, सेम. द डेकोरेटिव, इंडस्ट्रियल, दिस आर द सेम. So this part is talking about how everything is mass produced, everything is same, everything looks homogeneous, there is no differentiation, no specialization. तो फिर आप क्यों हंगामा कर रहे हो कि ये जो है ना, this is kind of creating chaos in the society, right? The first paragraph is very important. Once I understand this, थोड़ा बहुत भी at least I get the main idea, right? अभी आगे चलो, आपको मैं second paragraph बताती हूँ. I'm not going to read this. That is suicidal. City housing projects. This second paragraph is going to be connected to the first one. है कि नहीं? It will be connected to the overall picture. So, something related to same. The main idea of the passage is not that there is specialization or differentiation. No. That is what people say. Our author says everything is same. That is the main idea. Right? Okay. Now he's going to explain in the second paragraph something related to that. Why do you need to read everything? City housing projects designed to perpetuate. इसका meaning पता होना चाहिए. The individual as a supposedly, make him all the most subservient, adversary. 2-3 words ये तो बहुत common वाले. Adversary is opponent. Right? Power of capitalism. Something bad about capitalism. Capitalism is never considered good. ठीक है. सो कैपिटलिज्म भी आपकी रीडिंग उसमें होना चाहिए. लिस्ट में दे रखा है मैंने आपको. ओके. नाउ आई स्टॉप हियर. समथिंग टू डू विद कैपिटलिज्म, राइट? समथिंग टू डू विद सिटी हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, इंडिविजुअल, समथिंग एब्सोल्यूट पावर ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म. ओके. देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्किम. ओके. All the living units, okay. Organized complexes, okay. Unity. People at the top are no longer interested, okay. ठीक है. Concealing monopoly, colon. Monopoly रहती है. I'm not reading it. Monopoly रहती है. They call themselves industries. Okay, interested parties, culture industry. Okay, technical contrast, few production centers. Okay, result. Okay. I'll read this portion. Also, because I know that there are 3 questions, of which 2 are like connected to the first and last para. Right? So ये वाला para से related तो question अभी तक है नहीं. I'll just try to understand a little bit. But little bit का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि बिल्कुल हम मर जाए वहां पर. राइट. सो यहाँ पे द रिजल्ट में देख लूंगी, मोनोपोली कोलन है, कोलन में देख लूंगी, ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट जोन्स हैं. ठीक है. दे कॉल देमसेल्व्स इंडस्ट्रीज. शॉर्ट सेंटेंस टेक्निक हमेशा काम आता है. The result is the circle of manipulation and retroactive need in which the unity of the system grows even stronger. Unity of the system, that's nothing positive. यहाँ कैसे पता चलेगा? Because he's talking about capitalism. He's talking about power of capitalism and they are no longer interested in concealing monopoly. खुल के बताते हैं कि monopoly है. Right? So something negative he is talking. Cool. Furthermore, it is claimed that standards were based in the first place on consumers' needs and for that reason were accepted with so little resistance. बोला जा रहा था ऐसा. जरूरी तो नहीं कि ऐसा ही हुआ था. Right? Now I go to the last para. This is important because this will sum up the passage. No mention is made of the fact that the basis on which technology acquires power over society is the power of those whose economic hold is greatest. Connect with monopoly, connect with capitalism. Easy now, right? A technological rationale, logic, is the rationale of domination. So technology का help लेकर के people are actually gaining domination, right? It is the coercive, forceful nature of society alienated. अब अगर आपको coercive और alienated का meaning नहीं पता है, तो I don't think you're preparing for CAT. So coercive, forceful, जबरदस्ती करके, alienated, segregated, अपने आप से अलग, isolated. Okay, so society अपने आप से दूर होती चली जाती है. The last 3 lines of the passage are always important. So please scan. Okay, automobiles, bombs and movies keep the whole thing together until their leveling element shows its strength in the very wrong which it furthered. This is a very heavy sentence and good for interpretation and inference. Question, इसको मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगी. There is a question related to this. आपको भी करना कैसे है? Let's say I'm not there to explain it to you. How will you manage it? Right? So after checking this passage, इतना जितना मैंने देखा, this should take me 90 seconds, not more than that. I mean, if I'm spending more than 90 seconds on such a disgusting passage, I'm simply wasting my time. समझ में तो नहीं आना है पूरा का पूरा वर्ड फॉर वर्ड, या अगर आप अपने ईगो पे लेके खेलते कि मुझे सब समझना ही है, तो बैठो फिर आप समझते रहो. Right? So I have shown you the important zones. The first paragraph, especially the last 3 lines of the first paragraph, they generally hold the main idea. ले लिया मैंने वहां से. ठीक है. यहाँ पैराग्राफ कैसे फ्लो था पैराग्राफ का, I showed you that. Okay? यहाँ पे इसने पॉइंट दिया and then he explains it. Why? Culture now impresses this something, even he's asserting it and then he's explaining. Right? Something about capitalism, something about bad, absolute power of capitalism, monopoly, themselves industries, something contrast between this, and then the result is manipulation, negative words. Right? The last paragraph talks about this. So 90 seconds mein, overall, what is where can be taken out. I already know that there are 2 questions. अब यहाँ पे मतलब 2 questions मुझे करने हैं पहले. Entertainment industry and politics, first para. Okay? This one, last para. मैं तो यही दोनों पहले करूंगी ना. मतलब मुझे कुछ ज्यादा समझ नहीं आया, let's say, तो मैं क्या करूंगी? इन दोनों का at least I'll set the range. Right? Now, this one. According to the passage, how are the entertainment industry and politics part of the same conspiracy? Right? In the first paragraph, entertainment industry and politics, I'll show you this. Hang in there. यहाँ आप देखो, political, right? Opposites, okay. Management buildings, okay. Entertainment industry, films, radio and magazines. This is the entertainment industry and this is politics. How are they part of the same thing? We know that this paragraph is talking about uniform, same, okay, no differentiation, डिफरेंशिएशन तो यहां तक है, यहां तक. दिस इज डिस्प्रूव्ड. ओके, आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिस्प्रूव इट. क्यों? क्योंकि कल्चर फॉर का मीनिंग यहां पे बिकॉज. राइट? Okay, so I got this point. Now I go over to the question. Read 4 options. चारों में कुछ तो eliminate होगा based on your range. We have set the range now. They both cater to the public appeal. The dominion of capitalist power. Capitalist power exerts its influence, will help in enhancing the scope of both. Do you see one option with positive tone? We know that the passage has a negative tone, right? Even the first paragraph has that negative aspect to it, right? Capitalist power will help in enhancing the scope of both the entertainment out. Right? Because of tone. Then, what do we do? So, we are left with 3 options. Capitalist power exerts its influence over the entertainment industry and politics by pushing for the removal of differences in their functioning. Removal of differences. हाँ, बोला तो है सब कुछ same. I'll keep this. The dominion of capitalist power, which enforces mass entertainment over variety, also results in the presentation of disparate political systems and ideologies in ways that are uniform. ये भी same बोल रहा है. ये भी removal of differences same बोला है. So I'll keep B and C. They both cater to the public appeal of the capitalist state and have a symbiotic relationship with each other. Entertainment industry and politics have a symbiotic. If you don't know the meaning of symbiotic, यहाँ गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. But symbiotic अगर meaning नहीं मालूम है आपको, symbiosis, तो आप snap तो बिल्कुल मत देना एग्जाम. ठीक है? So symbiotic is synergistic, मिला करके, together. That gives it a positive tone. They both cater to the public appeal of the capitalist state. एक बार को अगर आप इससे गुमराह हो भी रहे हो, still the second part is absolutely wrong. Have a symbiotic relationship with each other. Positive tone eliminated. So elimination is so good over here. यहाँ पे एक caveat ले लो. After the first round of reading and checking, if you're not able to eliminate 2 options quickly, that means this question is going to eat away your time. उसको dump करके आप आगे बढ़ जाओ. मतलब कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. But यहाँ 2 options got eliminated. I'm left with B and C. What do we do now? When we are left with 2 options, we take one, go back and try to prove it. पहले इन दोनों का difference देख लेते हैं. Dominion of capitalist power exerts its influence over the entertainment industry and politics. ये क्या कह रहा? Which enforces mass entertainment over variety. Okay. Also results in disparate means अलग-अलग, disparate नहीं है वो, disparate political systems and ideologies and uniform. यहाँ कह रहा है in the entertainment industry and politics by pushing for the removal of differences in their functioning. I'll take you back. Just try to prove one of the 2. Process of elimination का एक technique है that says if you're left with the last 2 options and if both look correct, you have to pick the one that has better words. Okay? That is exactly what we would need to do in this question. आप फिर भी एक बार यहाँ पे देख लो and I'll take you back. Even in their enthusiastic obedience to the rhythm of the iron. For your knowledge, iron, capitalism is called the iron. ठीक है? So rhythm of the iron, उसको follow करने के चक्कर में even the political opposites, right and left, या जो अलग अलग 2 parties हैं, are one in their enthusiastic obedience. They come together. So symbiotic political and entertainment नहीं हो रहा है. Symbiotic political forces जो हैं, जो 2 opposites हैं, they come together, right? The decorative industrial management buildings and exhibition centers in authoritarian countries are much the same as anywhere else. Authoritarian आप बोल रहे हो किसी को, but सब जगह तो वही same, right? So now I'm going to take you back to this question. So between B and C, remember the process of elimination technique. Even if both look correct, you have to select one that has better words. You go on, let me know the answer. Okay. Yes, I would go with B. Why? Because this has better words. Enforces mass entertainment over variety. Okay. बोला है उधर. Variety पहले हो रही थी, लोग ऐसा सोच रहे थे कि there is variety, but mass entertainment ले रहा है. Also results in the presentation of disparate political systems and ideologies in ways that are uniform. So these political systems, they kind of come together and they produce uniformity. ठीक है? So between B and C, B has better words. That's the answer. Question number 2. What can be inferred? Simple inference question, but वही तो भारी है वहां पर. Regarding the point of similarity between automobiles, bombs, and movies. Go to the last paragraph. Now check. Read it once. A technological rationale is the rationale of domination itself. It is the coercive nature. पूरा sentence नहीं समझ आएगा? कोई नहीं, take the words. Coercive, forceful nature. Alienated from itself. Separated. Okay? This. Automobiles, bombs and movies keep the whole thing together. Automobiles, गाड़ियां, bombs and movies, entertainment. They keep the whole thing together. लेके चल रहा है. Until their leveling element. आपको नहीं पता leveling element का meaning? कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा सा देखते हैं, हो सकता है कि नहीं. Leveling element shows its strength in the very wrong which it propagated, which it furthered, which it kind of brought forward. Right? इतना तो समझ में आया. I'll take you back to the question. चलिए. Let's eliminate. They represent the attitude of the public. आप देख लो पहले एक बार, उसके बाद फिर डिस्कस करेंगे. They represent the new era of technological progress, which is essentially democratic in form, positive tone. Out. Right? I'm sure you agree with me. I'm left with A, B, and D. I'm looking for another elimination. They are a hierarchical range of mass-produced products of varying quality and desired by all. Red flag है. Put it on the shelf. Put it on the shelf means रखो, उसको देखेंगे बाद में. अभी तो ये दोनों मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हटा दो. I'm left with A and D. Now between A and D, we can go back again, no problem. They represent the attitude of the public, which ostensibly showing, ठीक है, दिखाता है बहुत, and actually disrupts the system of the culture industry. Okay? Through technology, they represent ये a motive, purpose, which is one of dominion and weighty economic power. Take one, go back and prove it. चेक कर लो अब आप. Okay, here he has words such as whole thing together until their leveling element. Leveling element, objective. Okay, shows its strength in the very wrong which it furthered. They started with some objective, but along the way there was some kind of selfish motive, some wrong happened, and they kept pushing for that. They kept furthering it, they kept perpetuating it. And then this kind of, shows someday. It comes and hits the society someday. It is the coercive nature of society alienated from itself. Technological logic is the logic of domination. Technology आप use कर रहे हैं to actually dominate. So between A and D, I'm sure you can see the answer now. Right? Attitude of the public? Definitely not. Yes. Through technology, yes. They represent a motive. They bole to who? Ye. Motive. Leveling element. Objective. Which is one of dominion. Right? And weighty economic power. They're all doing it for monopoly, for manipulation, for technological dominion. Right? So yes, your answer is D. Now we are left with the third question. If you get these two correct with a little bit of reading and some kind of interpretation, inference and all, it will boost your confidence. You'll see, एक बार तो देख ही लेता हूँ. It can be inferred that the author disproves. Disproves is there right in the first paragraph. उसके बाद पूरे passage को explain किया है. But है तो मुद्दा ना in the first para. What is he disproving? So far I remember, he said, people think that the sociological theory that talks about स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड क्या था वो आपका, ठहरो भूल जा रही हूँ, हाँ, प्री कैपिटलिज्म टुगेदर विद डिफरेंशिएशन, सोशल डिफरेंशिएशन और स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड ऑल, इनकी वजह से केओस हो रहा है. नो, दैट इज डिस्प्रूव्ड. क्यों? क्योंकि अब सब कुछ तो मास हो रहा है, राइट? ओके, so let's check this. He disproves what? Culture and industry have joined hands to provide goods and services to the consumer. Provide goods and services to the consumer. Oh. Culture and industry have joined hands to provide goods and services to the consumer. Disprove कर रहा है ना? Okay, ठीक है. Culture and industry. The basis on which technology acquires power over society is the power of those whose economic hold is greatest. The standards present in the entertainment industry were based in the first place on consumer needs, and for that reason were accepted with so little resistance. Culture has become a byword for the materialistic tendencies of man. Culture has become a byword. Is the author trying to disprove something related to culture and materialistic tendencies? No. So at least one option gets eliminated. Now I'm left with A, B, and C. Right? Now, think again. इनमें से एक तो और जाना है. Culture and industry have joined hands to provide goods and services to the consumer. Is the author trying to prove this? Whether they have given goods and services or not? No. He is trying to disprove something related to technology, related to dominion, related to monopoly, related to capitalism, related to mass production, related to differentiation. कुछ तो ऐसा है, right? So between B and C, look for the one which has better words, even if you're not able to understand everything like very clearly. Right? The basis on which technology acquires power over society is the power of those whose economic hold over society is greatest. Greatest, right? I'm not sure about this. तो मैं क्या करूंगी यहाँ पे एक चालाकी. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, so I'll check C and I'll try to prove it from the passage. क्यों? क्योंकि दो तो eliminate हो चुके. When we are left with two options, try to prove one. This is what I have taught you. So between B and C, instead of chasing B, जिसमें कि greatest and all मुझे जम नहीं रहा है, I'll take C and I'll try to prove it. The standards present in the entertainment industry, वो क्या disprove कर रहा है? Standards were based in the first place on consumer needs, and for that reason were accepted with so little resistance. Consumer needs, little resistance. Go back. यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा बोला नहीं है, right? Something related to that. यहाँ तो आपको specialization and differentiation and all बोला है, right? So what do? थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं. Consumer needs and little resistance. Okay? Check करो कहीं पर आप. The truth that their just business is made into an ideology in order to justify the rubbish they deliberately produce. They call themselves industries. Okay? Something. Interested parties explain the culture industry in technological terms. It is alleged, blamed that because millions participate, reproduction processes are necessary, okay, satisfied with identical goods. Technological contrast, okay. Furthermore, it is claimed, standards were based in the first place on consumers' needs, and for that reason were accepted with so little resistance. That's why the people thought that it was made for them. Everything was happening for them, keeping their interests in mind. That's why they did not resist. तो भाई ये जो second paragraph में लिखा है, even that is connected to the main idea that's given in the first paragraph, right? So यहाँ पे disprove, he's trying to disprove what? He's trying to disprove that it wasn't made for people. It was made for selfish motives. It was made with that monopolistic angle. It was made for that capitalistic society. So the standards present in this, based in the first place on this. So this over this. C is better. Okay. Now, it can be inferred that the author disproves. You must be thinking inferred hai to yahan pe to like, this is kind of similar language, वैसा. I agree with you. So यहाँ पे ये जो option C है, if this comes in cat, थोड़ा सा इसमें एक दो synonyms change कर देगा वो, ठीक है? Standards present in the entertainment industry were based in the first place on consumer needs, were based in the first place on consumer needs and not on ulterior motives, and that's why the gullible consumers did not resist too much. ऐसा करके थोड़ा सा चेंज करके मैं दूंगी, that will become the perfect inference for cat level. I hope you get my point, guys. So yes, इसका answer C है, and that brings me to the end of this session. B, D, C, yes. Okay. All right. So Before I log out, here's the GAN point. Ugly looking passage. First, check the questions. When I saw the questions, I understood there are 2 questions that are connected specific. So instead of wasting my 7 to 8 minutes trying to read the passage, trying to chase all the questions, what I did was kind of take 2 questions, read the passage according to that, focus mainly on the main idea and the conclusion. Okay, focus completely on these 2 questions, and in 6 minutes or so try to solve these 2 questions, after which the third question becomes easy for me. You get it? This is one more way of solving a passage. It's not necessary that you have to follow one rule, one system, one iron hand that comes down on you. इसी तरीके से solve होना है, कोई ऐसा rule नहीं है. Be flexible, this is what I say. Check your question set. Accordingly, you'll know how to handle a passage. Proper reading करनी है, mini reading करनी है, organized reading करनी है, या mini का mini reading करनी है, कैसी reading करनी वो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Got it, guys? Join us for more. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please come on to the platform and attend our regular classes. We have got like VRC Essentials, LRDI Essentials, as a dekh rahe ho, foundation modules. These have been developed keeping the students' requirement in mind. हमारा कोई ulterior motive यहाँ पे नहीं है, as it was given in the passage, कि consumers को लगता था कि उनके लिए है. नहीं, यहाँ पे genuinely these products have been made for our students, जिनका we are trying to shape the careers. We are trying to drive you towards your goal. ठीक है? So please join us. And अभी के लिए that's enough. Thank you so much. I'm going to meet you again. Watch out for the next one. Thank you.